5 things to declutter before you consider listing your house. Good idea whether you're going to sell it today or next week or just sometime, because you know you're going to move to another house, a smaller house, whatever. 1, go through and get rid of anything that could be trash or recycle. You'd be surprised how many things, mail that you stack up. I'm guilty of that. So I try to make sure that I look at the mail before I bring it in the house. And since a lot of it's junk mail, I put it right in the recycle bin outside so it doesn't come in the house. The things that I do need to keep, they sometimes get stacked up because I toss it on the desk figuring I'll file it or I'll take care of it. And that stuff stacks up. Books that you intend to read but haven't read, good time to donate those. And any clothing that you've thrown in a pile because you figure I need to get that mended and so forth, that's a good time to just toss it and get on with it. Check furniture. Is there any furniture that you wouldn't take to another house? Or is there too much furniture in your house and you could put some elsewhere, or get rid of some? The more furniture that's in a house, the more it looks crowded or looks small to a buyer. Clear all the surfaces. So things that you might have on little knickknacks on bookshelves or coffee tables or end tables, get rid of all of that. Pack it up. If you're taking it with you, go ahead and pack it now, put it in a box and label it and put it in your closet or your basement or wherever, that it's off the table. And that also helps when a buyer's coming through your house, that they don't accidentally knock something off. Just cleans the place up. Depersonalize. Take down any photos. Go ahead and pack those now. If there's things that you're giving away with any of those things, give them away to family or friends. But if you're taking it with you, go ahead and pack it up and have it ready to go. And then your closets is number 5. So make sure that you clear them out as much as possible. The more it looks full, the more the buyer's going to see that and say, hey, that closet's not going to be big enough for me, because they can't really tell. It looks full to them, and it's going to look full to them when they move in, they think. So if you have items you haven't worn in the past 6 months, not necessarily seasonal items, but other items, maybe it's something you bought on sale and you thought you'd like it, and you just haven't worn it, go ahead and donate it. If you've got things that you really thought you liked, but you didn't anymore, go ahead and donate it. Something that's the wrong size, but you're sure you're going to diet and get into it, just get rid of it. As much as you can get rid of, the better. To where you could actually move a closet, move hangers back and forth easily, and not have stuff crammed so much on the top and on the bottom. Clean out the closets as much as you can to make it look good. And it'll make it easier to move as well. So it's a twofold.